National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northern Caddo County in southwest Oklahoma until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, radar and storm spotters observed a tornado 6 miles southwest of Fort Cobb, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Locations in the warning include Albert, Binger, Fort Cobb Reservoir, Fort Cobb, and Lakiba. The tornado is expected to pass near the western edge of Fort Cobb. Take cover now. Leave mobile homes and vehicles. If possible, move to a basement or storm shelter. Otherwise, move to an interior room or hallway on the lowest floor. Stay away from windows and outside walls. Regional weather discussion at 4:40 p.m.